Do you really know how much equity you have in your home? Now that's a question that leaves many scratching their heads. You see, there's a common belief floating around that buying a home is akin to acquiring instant equity and securing a financial fortress. Homeownership is often seen through rose-tinted glasses, with many assuming it's an immediate ticket to wealth accumulation. But is this assumption rooted in reality? Or is it merely a comforting myth we've been led to believe? But the truth might surprise you. Have you considered the real costs that come with selling your home? When you sell, you're not just handing over the keys and pocketing the profit. Data shows that these costs often consume a significant chunk of a homeowner's equity. In an average sale, nearly a quarter of your home's value could vanish into these hidden costs. These costs can make a serious dent in your home's equity. So, what's the real picture? How much equity do homeowners actually retain? Let's delve into the numbers. On average, after the dust of selling their homes settles, homeowners are left with a fraction of their expected equity. Even in a thriving market, substantial amounts of equity are eroded. This hard-hitting reality is a far cry from the dream of instant equity and financial security. In fact, when most homeowners sell, they never see their equity. So, what does this mean for you as a homeowner or future homebuyer? It's crucial to understand that homeownership doesn't necessarily equate to instant equity or financial security. These can significantly deplete your equity, sometimes you with less than you anticipated. So it's not enough to just buy a home. The key to financial security isn't just buying a home, it's understanding the true cost of homeownership.